Creating inventory items in Netsuite is simple, and today I'll guide you through the process. First, log into your Netsuite account. Navigate to Lists and click on Accounting, then select Items and click on the New button to create a new item record. In the Item Type field, select either Inventory Part or Inventory Assembly depending on whether the item is standalone or part of an assembly. Fill in the relevant details for your inventory item, including the item name, SKU, and any other necessary information. In the Inventory tab, enter details such as weight, units of measure, and costing method. Specify whether the items are serialized or lot numbered. Serialized items have unique identifiers, while lot-numbered items are grouped into batches with a common lot number. Navigate to the Pricing and Availability tab to enter pricing information, including default sales price and other pricing options. In the Accounting sub-tab, configure accounting preferences for the item, such as income and expense accounts associated with sales and purchases. Specify whether the item is taxable and select the appropriate tax codes, if applicable. Once all necessary information is entered, click the Save button to save the inventory item record. Before using the inventory item in transactions, review the details for accuracy and conduct test transactions to verify its behavior in different scenarios.